of you ever wanted to send the same WhatsApp message to 100 of people at once without manually messaging each person? So imagine sending marketing offers, event announcement, webinar reminders, registrations and product updates to 100 of customers just in few minutes and without any manual intervention. So manually sending messages one by one can take hours, but with this bulk WhatsApp messaging, you can send WhatsApp message to multiple contacts automatically. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages without wasting hours and how beginners can set this up easily and for free today. So let's get started. So I'm conducting a webinar and I am going to send automated confirmation messages to all the one who have registered for this webinar. I have their details and let's see how to create this. For that you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner you're going to see the option of sign up for free, so click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan. And for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But first, try Pabbly Chatflow. If you find it helpful, then you can move on further, use this discount coupon code to purchase it. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this is the most important window because from here we're going to start. You have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. This is a very crucial step which you can add from dashboard. As you can see, I have already added my WhatsApp number. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number, a video tutorial which will guide you completely on how to add your WhatsApp number is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and add your WhatsApp number. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left end of the side, go on this broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you're on this broadcast feature, click on this add broadcast button. Now it is asking for the broadcast type, so select it as broadcast campaign. For the name, enter the name. So I am going to keep the name as webinar over here. So as you can see, I am conducting a webinar which is on 10th of May. So I am going to enter the same name, which is webinar over here. You can customize this according to your own choice. For the contact list, I have already created my contact list. So for that, from the left end of the side, go on this contact section, and as you can see that I have already created multiple contact lists over here. If you want to create a contact list, go on this add contact button, and over here if you want to add a single contact, you can add it. If you want to add bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts and upload the CSV file. How are you going to get the CSV file? For that you have to open a sheet, enter the details of all the registrants in this sheets, go on this file, download, and download this in CSV format. Then simply upload the CSV file and all the contacts will be uploaded in your Pabbly Chatflow account. A detailed tutorial video on this contact section is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. I have already created the contact list, so let's just select it over here. You can select multiple contact lists to over here. Okay, after selecting the contact list, you can move on further. It is saying message type, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you want to send a regular message, select it as regular message and type your message over here and you can send it. But if you want to send a pre-approved template message, select it and go towards this template section from the left end of the side. You have to create a template and get it approved by Meta before sending it to multiple users. What you have to do, go on this add template button and add the template yourself, or if you want, you can also use AI to build the template. Over here is a section of generate with AI, so you can use AI to create the template for you. Once the template is created, wait until the Meta approves the template. As you can see, I've already created this template and it is approved by Meta. Now let's just send this template. For that, go back to your broadcast, click on this select WhatsApp template and select the template. Now it is saying body field 1. So what is this body field 1? So in front of this hi, I have this name and I want to replace this name with the name of the participant. So for that, I have to enter this body field 1, and in order to enter this, I'm going to to keep this value as dynamic because I want to send personalized WhatsApp messages to everyone. I want the name of the user should be written in front of hi, like hi Jane user, hi demo user, hi test user, and so on. So to do this, you have to put a dollar and type name over here. Now this dollar name will be replaced with the original name of the participant. And if you want to learn more about this, from the left hand of the side, go in the settings and then contact custom fields, and over here are the contact custom fields where this field name, when you're going to copy it, it will be exactly the same, which is dollar name. This is going to help you to keep the information dynamic. These 4 contact custom fields are universal and will be there in your account if you have created it today also. The rest are temporary. You can create or delete this, but these 4 are universal and these can't be deleted. Okay, so let's just move on further. We have entered this name, which is dollar name, which is a dynamic value. Now click on this done, and once you click on this done, it is saying username and phone numbers. If you want to test this broadcast before sending it to multiple people, you can simply enter the username and the mobile number right over here to test this broadcast. I'm just going to show you how you can test. You just have to enter the details and click on this send test message. Once you're going to click on this send test message, it is saying test broadcast sent. So let's just open our broadcast and you're going to see yes, this message is received. It seems fine, so let's just send it to multiple users at once. So before sending it to multiple contacts at once, you can just test it like this. Now it is saying schedule broadcast. If you want to send this instantly, you can click on this no send instantly and click on this add broadcast button. The second option is you can schedule it for later. For that, select yes, schedule for later. Now you have to enter the date and time. So you have to make sure that you enter the future date and time. If you enter the past date and time, it will be sent instantly. You have to go on this calendar and select the date and time. So I'm going to keep it as 10th of April and at 1 p.m. Okay, and click on this add broadcast button. Now this broadcast is scheduled for 10th of April 1 p.m. And yes, once this broadcast is sent, I can also review the stats. I can go on this view stats button and view how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. And if the broadcast is failed, I can simply valid or invalid failed. I can check this too and also resend the broadcast if I want. So yes, go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips like this, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.